Hot Tips Nail Box Tribe. It's finally here. The newest Zodiac themed Hot Tips Nail Box.
You do it so well. You do it so well. You do it so well.
Being released February 25th. So this month we had so much stuff to put in the boxes, too much stuff that we just had to make some choices. So this month you're getting 2 packs of nail art stickers that are all really, really cool, Zodiac themed with like moons and stars and snakes, evil eyes, eye of protection, all that kind of cool stuff. So you're going to get a surprise. You don't know which 2 you're getting. Letters, so you can spell out your favorite stuff. We love these stickers. They're some of our favorites. Everything that goes in these boxes are our favorites. You already know this. Which ones will it be? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's pick this really cool one with all the little Zodiac inspired stuff and the evil eyes. Super, super cool. Okay, so those are the stickers that's going in this box. Now, obviously, you're getting our limited edition glitter baby fantasy acrylic in this month's color, which is Dream Baby. And we called her Dream Baby because she is like a dream. She's full of 7 different kinds of glitters with a baby blue base, little teeny tiny silver stars, all kinds of opalescent holographic glitters. You already know our glitter baby fantasy acrylics are like so gorgeous. We love them. A little goes a long way. You can use a tiny bit or you can build it up for super full coverage. So obviously there's a hidden little kawaii charm in every bottle. Don't forget, there's always a treasure inside. Next, oh my God, this is like one of my favorites. This Zodiac wheel is so cute. Look at the little tiny gold planet star signs with the little rhinestones, and then there's little kawaii stars and little Zodiac stars to encapsulate. And then you're getting 6 assorted Zodiac plates, name plates for nails. It's a random 6, so that's also going to be a surprise. Also, some beautiful mixed blue crystals. These are always the highest quality crystals. You already know that. We don't play. You're getting 2 star nail piercings. These are so cute. I can't wait to show you guys some of the sets I'm going to create this month with all this stuff. And also some little itty bitty 7-point stars to encapsulate or put on top of the nail, whichever you decide. Also, you're getting some really cool galaxy-inspired foils. There were so many to choose from, so it's going to be a random surprise in each box. These are such beautiful foils. With all of this stuff, oh my God, you guys, the sets that you're going to make, I can't wait to see them. They're going to be gorgeous. Also, an extra special surprise. I have included your nail horoscope. How cool is this? Ooh, we can't wait to see you slay with this box. And there you have it. Our Zodiac themed Hot Tips nail box, complete with our little thank you card. We love this so much. And also we had to just sprinkle some stars on top of there for you guys. Some beautiful little star glitter so you have something magical when you open the box. It's not like everything in here isn't magic anyway. Hope you guys enjoy. We cannot wait to see what you'll do this month with the contents. Love you.